Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face. Now, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. And one of them should have the percentage on it. This is the battery icon. Tap on this icon to open the battery menu, or battery saver menu rather. And here we have the battery percentage and also the option called battery saver. Tap on this option. And now to enable the power saving mode, simply tap on the check mark to confirm. And the mode is enabled. That's how it looks like. You have access to the time, date, steps, and the battery life. You can't access anything else rather. Okay, so that's how you enable power saving mode. And to disable the power saving mode, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face. So press and hold it. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the normal watch face, which means you turned off the power saving mode. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.